If there's one country that feels like stepping into a fairy tale, it's Finland. Imagine vast snowy landscapes, mystical northern lights, and charming cities blending nature with modernity. But where exactly should you go to experience the best of Finland? Today, we're counting down the 7 must-visit places in Finland that will leave you in awe. Finland is a land of breathtaking contrasts, where cutting-edge design meets untouched wilderness, where history whispers through medieval castles, and where the midnight sun and polar nights create a world unlike any other. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Helsinki, chasing the northern lights in Lapland, or gliding through the crystal-clear waters of the Finnish Lakeland, every corner of this country offers something magical. But with so much to see, where do you even start? Stay tuned as we dive into the top destinations that make Finland a must-visit paradise. Helsinki, the heart of Finland, is where modern elegance meets rich history, all wrapped in breathtaking waterfront beauty. This city isn't just the capital, it's the perfect introduction to Finnish culture, offering a seamless blend of innovation, tradition, and stunning architecture. As you stroll through its streets, you'll be captivated by the neoclassical grandeur of Helsinki Cathedral, standing proudly in Senate Square. But history doesn't stop there. Just a short ferry ride away lies Suomenlinna Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that whispers stories of Finland's past through its ancient walls. And if you're looking for a taste of local life, Market Square is the place to be. Fresh seafood, handmade crafts, and the inviting aroma of warm cinnamon buns fill the air. Whether you're admiring the city's design, immersing yourself in history, or simply enjoying the seaside charm, Helsinki is a must-visit that sets the stage for everything Finland has to offer. Rovaniemi is where the magic of Christmas never fades. Nestled right on the Arctic Circle, this enchanting town is officially the hometown of Santa Claus, and yes, you can meet him any day of the year at Santa Claus Village. Imagine stepping into a winter wonderland, sending postcards from the Santa Claus post office, and crossing the Arctic Circle in a place where holiday spirit is a way of life. But Rovaniemi is more than just Christmas cheer. It's an adventure hub, offering unforgettable Arctic experiences. Glide through snow-covered forests on a husky safari, take a reindeer sleigh ride under the twilight sky, or step into the wilderness where silence is as breathtaking as the scenery. And when night falls, the sky comes alive with one of nature's greatest shows, the Northern Lights. Dancing waves of green and purple illuminate the Arctic sky, making Rovaniemi not just a destination, but a dream come true. Lapland is the very definition of a winter wonderland, a place where nature remains untouched, and snow-covered forests stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a land of silence, serenity, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. Imagine spending the night in a glass igloo, wrapped in warmth while the Arctic sky puts on a show of swirling green and purple, the mesmerizing northern lights. It's a scene so surreal, it feels like stepping into a dream. But Lapland is more than just its landscapes, it's home to the indigenous Sami people, whose traditions have been woven into this land for centuries. Reindeer herding, joik singing, and handcrafted artistry tell the story of a culture deeply connected to nature. Whether you're exploring the frozen wilderness, immersing yourself in Sami heritage, or simply taking in the peaceful magic of the Arctic, Lapland is a destination that feels like another world, one you'll never want to leave. Turku, Finland's oldest city, is where history and modern charm intertwine. Walking through its streets feels like stepping back in time, with medieval architecture, cobblestone pathways, and a rich heritage that dates back to the 13th century. At the heart of it all stands Turku Castle, an imposing fortress that has witnessed centuries of Finnish history, from royal banquets to legendary battles. Just beyond, the Ora River flows gracefully through the city, lined with cozy cafes, lively markets, and stunning waterfront views. But Turku isn't just about the past, it's a city that thrives on culture and creativity. From world-class restaurants serving up Nordic flavors to vibrant festivals like the Medieval Market and Turku Music Festival, this city knows how to celebrate life. Whether you're exploring ancient landmarks, enjoying a riverside meal, or soaking in the local art scene, Turku is a place where history comes alive in the most captivating way. Lake Saimaa is a masterpiece of nature, Finland's largest lake and the heart of the country's breathtaking Lakeland region. Here, water and sky blend seamlessly, creating a landscape so peaceful, it feels untouched by time. Whether you're gliding across the glassy surface on a boat cruise, kayaking through narrow waterways, or simply sitting on a quiet dock, the beauty of Saimaa is undeniable. But this lake holds a rare treasure, the Saimaa ringed seal, one of the world's most endangered seals, found nowhere else on Earth. Spotting one basking on a rock is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Beyond its wildlife, the region offers cozy lakeside cottages, traditional Finnish saunas, and the kind of stillness that makes you forget the rest of the world exists. If you're looking for the ultimate escape into nature, where time slows down and every view feels like a painting, Lake Saimaa is the perfect destination. The Åland Islands are a hidden paradise in the Baltic Sea, a place where time slows down, and nature takes center stage. This semi-autonomous archipelago is a unique blend of Finnish and Swedish heritage, reflected in its language, traditions, and way of life. With over 6,500 islands, Åland is a dream for those who crave peace, stunning coastal views, and an escape from the ordinary. Whether you're cycling along scenic island roads, exploring charming harbor villages, or sailing through crystal-clear waters, every moment here feels like a postcard come to life. The maritime culture runs deep, historic lighthouses, wooden windmills, and the scent of fresh sea air make it a place unlike any other. And if you're a food lover, local delicacies like freshly caught fish and Åland's famous black bread offer a taste of the region's soul. For those seeking a quiet, breathtaking retreat far from the crowds, the Åland Islands are Finland's best-kept secret. Koli National Park is where Finland's most breathtaking views come to life. Standing atop the iconic Koli Hill, you'll witness a sight that has inspired poets, painters, and dreamers for centuries, a panoramic view over Lake Päijänne, where rolling forests meet endless blue waters. It's a scene so majestic that it feels almost otherworldly. But Koli isn't just about the view, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers, offering winding trails through ancient woodlands, peaceful lochshores, and rugged cliffs that invite adventure at every turn. There's a deep spiritual connection to this land, woven into Finnish folklore and myths that speak of gods, giants, and nature's untamed power. Whether you're trekking to catch a sunrise over the lake, immersing yourself in the silence of the forest, or simply taking in the energy of this legendary landscape, Koli National Park is a place where nature and imagination become one.